Posting pictures on the gram so other people know that we're more than friends. And ever since you came around, I've never been sober, always in my head. Met you at a time when I was so low, went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be, so if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me down.
And scene. Hey friends, we meet again. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making these Pokeballs. I never thought I would like the Primer Ball so much. In fact, this is my favorite of the bunch. So, after seeing all this, are you interested in collecting them or even make them yourself? Now, if you don't have a 3D printer and if you want to collect them, I can print it for you. Feel free to reach out to me on Facebook or Instagram and we can discuss more in detail there. Now, if you have a 3D printer and you would like to make them yourself, just sign up for my Patreon subscription where I release all my Pokemon related files there and even all the future potential upgrades or modifications that I might do to these Pokeballs. So the files that I provide will include original STL files as well as pre-supported files if you just want to download them and print them right away. As you saw in the video how easy it was to just peel off the supports. Now, if you don't care about the files or don't have a 3D printer and you're willing to support me and wanted to get closer to me, you can sign up for the cheaper subscription tier. So all my Patreon subscribers will get to join my private Discord server where I share all my work in progress and even behind the scenes. Now, if you have any issue with your 3D files, I can share my knowledge and I can show you the ropes if you're new to this. Or if you prefer, I can do the supports for the 3D files for you. Also, if you have any issues with your 3D printers, I can troubleshoot the issues with you. Last but not least, all my Patreon subscribers will have their names shown at the end of my future videos. Quick note, so all the Pokemons inside these Pokeballs are sculpted by the very talented Patrick Lee. I just scale them down and make a pinhole underneath so that they can fit inside these Pokeballs, except for this Cyndaquil. So I sculpted this Cyndaquil for a friend of mine and I do plan on keep sculpting more so that everybody will eventually get to make their own dream team come true. So here's the question, if you do get to pick one type of Pokeball, any Pokeball, it can be Dust Ball, Net Ball, Safari Ball, what will you pick and what Pokemon will you capture with it? Who knows, maybe I might just make it happen. Oh, before I go, I want to show you a sneak peek for my next big project, which is the little Zeta Bust here. So I've modeled this and I fully test printed this and I have all the pre-supported files ready. I only need to get the instruction manual done before I release it, but the thing is, I want to build this twice as big. So if you're interested, just make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it when it's out. But anyways, if you do enjoy the video so far, I really hope you do. Just don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's all for now. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.